So when it gets flat on screen, it looks all the more no volume, and then it was very bad. So then what happens is, then I had to cut my hair short.
How long was it?
1.5 years back. This thing on the camera, the color really matters first.
Correct.
The color was so cheap. I was like, no, I'm not doing this. I was like, no, because the camera, the light falls. Your hair has to look good. It's not, when you step out. Even in the light, it's more important for me. So the color was looking very horrible. First. Second thing, it became my hair just got flat. So when it gets flat on screen, it looks all the more.
There was no volume.
Correct, no volume. And then it was very bad. I don't do anything.
How did you manage then, yeah?
I got cut short.
How short did you cut them?
This short. It was like this, which I've never even had it in my college days. Like this short, I had to go short. So I just wanted a little. Now what has happened, I did this Botox thing. And I just...
When did you do the Botox?
I think it's been more than 7-8 months now. So now I just want to get something to...
Volume.
Came here and that was very nice, of course. You've got a good set of people here
Thank you.
now. And you've been in this profession since years,
For quite
right?
some time. So how long do you want them now? Like what length are you looking for?
So I want like maybe I think 18 inches or something. I think she did a thing and she checked. So that's it.
Cool. So we'll put those tape extensions. The tape extensions are pretty safe. You know what we will have to do is, I'll tell you, now it's too solid at the bottom. So we'll have to first make this uneven because it's too solid. So when you put the extension now, there will be a difference. So I don't want that line to the demarcation to show. So we'll texturize this bit.
Perfect.
And then we'll put those extensions. We've already colored them. We're going to put it on the sides and the back. We'll increase the length. The only thing is, I mean, I'm giving you that natural wave, but now you've already done that Botox on your natural hair. So this honestly will fall straight. You know? But you'll at least see some movement here. But over a period of time now, when this fades off, now it will blend better. You know, so I think let's put these extensions. You'll get that volume. We'll increase the length as well. And then maybe after 2 months, once you remove it, we'll again blend it a little more. You know, but at least you will enjoy the length and the volume.
Correct.
Your natural hair is sandwiched between these two. Give him some amount of wave, so you'll enjoy that. I don't want it to be too straight.
More confident. You know, it was like so bad that I had to keep it tied all the time. Now I'll be more confident. I'll be like keeping it open. Even if I go to the gym also, I'm not going to tie it. I'm going to go like that only. For sure. I'm not going to tie it. I have no comment. I mean, is it me? I mean, I'm in love with this. And of course, it's like if you love yourself, you love everything that is with you.
Absolutely.
And I feel this is actually, it was meant for me. So that's what happened to me. And I don't think I've done any extensions. It's just my own hair. I've just styled it.